Hey people, here now I try to create no collision for iblis. First of all, let's fire up Immunity Debugger and open this iblis process. Let it load some stuff and run, or press F9 once it's finished. Go to main module, in this case it's mini.a.txt, and search for binary string. First way to search no collision is to scan some signatures. Here I have DAE9DFE0F6C444 unknown and unknown 6A00. Now I'll look for similarities to another flyff functions I have seen, and it seems I need to search one more time because first scan led to wrong place. This seems little similar. I'll scan more to see if it has more results, and this is the last one. So, investigate this one more and see if it has address that contains collision controlling variable, by checking some address values in hex view. And of course, why am I checking floating points value? It is usually 1 byte value and address loaded to register to test it. This address I like, it's exactly what I'm looking for. I'm trying to change its value and walk through object and see what's happening. And change value back to confirm that I got right address for sure. Okay, that was first and little bit hard way, maybe. But I have another way that's much easier, but it can be found in much less servers also. So, just search for all intermodular calls, and from their search, initialize critical section and spin count. Copy this assembly line and search for all this kinda calls, by search for all commands, because we need only last found one. Scroll down and nice one, static variable sitting quietly. I'll do same processes as before to test is it right address. And of course it is because it's exactly the same. Okay, I'll change value back and start Visual Studio to create C++ program, that enables no collision just by running it. Making it to prepare for release and editing some configurations. Nice, now it's time to add main source file and time to code. As usually include windows.h and create main function, then add variables to open process. And use some Win API functions to open it. Next add unsigned long base module and, now we needed to fill it somehow also. For this, I just copy function that I use pretty widely. Then use this function to get base module, in this case it's named by mini.a.txt. Now it's the main part of this program, to calculate the static address and base address difference, so we can use it anytime we want until new update. And of course I do it with calculator to save my last brain cells. Then there's nothing much else to do to just use write process memory to write 0 bytes to address we want, and then we should have no collision enabled. And to make it look better finally, add message box to tell we have hopefully disabled collision or enable no collision. Finally locate where it built that executable and run it as admin. Nice, happy me, it worked. Bye bye. And always, have a nice time.